The rainforest, a home to many animals in the world, helping them survive. With very cute animals, birds, and others. But what's happening now? This. We are cutting down trees to use resources, which is destroying homes and hurting animals. How can you help? Number 1, use front and back of papers. How does this help? You need to use trees, wood, to make papers. Less paper, less cutting down trees. Number 2, houses and furniture are sometimes made of wood. Watch what you buy. How does this help? Same as 1, less wood you use, less trees you need to cut down. Number 3, don't use palm oil. It comes from the forest. Don't use it. I will say this in short. Just it comes from the forest. Don't use it. Donate money. Help the rainforest. Make a bake sale. Make a car wash. Sorry, I messed that up. Or just do it. Donate money. I won't get too technical. Wait. Before you donate money, make sure it's real and not a scam. No. Alright, I think I messed that up. Alright, number 5. Don't have to, but turn down the heat and wear a sweater. At night, wear really warm pajamas. And that is optional. Carpool, if possible. Use public transportation. Still can use bad stuff, but that times 1 with the bad stuff your car makes. So, in other words, like, the public transportation can use bad gas or something, which comes from the forest, let's say. And when your car, that public transportation is using it, and then plus your car is using it. So that's twice as bad. Number 8. Use front and back of paper and recycle, but put down. Buy paper that is nature friendly and does not use the important resources. Give nature a treat. I am a dog. Put out a bird feeder, bird bath, or a bird house. Hey, you would not like to have no food or water. No bath, you'd smell. And even better, all of them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. I take ideas from the chat box, guys, so you have any ideas for videos or anything, how to do stuff, put it in there. Please subscribe. See ya!